Okay, everyone. I went inside because I wouldn't burn the hell out of my finger. I was welding on that leaf spring bracket over there, welding it all the way around, and like a dummy, you know, I take a chance every once in a while, and I wear these gloves that I got from Harbor Freight that I probably shouldn't wear when MIG welding, but I do it sometimes anyways because you can feel things better. But this is a time where I regret it because I went and touched the metal right above where I was welding, and man, it burned the hell out of me. So I was inside licking my wounds, but figured I would come back out here and show you guys that I do have the inside plate on this side. It's not completely welded on this side, almost. Basically, from here where that transmission cross member is, I need to weld up. I can't do that just yet because I need to pull the transmission cross member down and get it out of my way, and finish welding that up. Once that's completely welded up, I'm going to come back through with the flap disc and grind all these welds smooth and radius that edge there, so it's more like this side where it's nice and clean and seamless looking. So once it's painted, you won't see the weld beads. I'm gonna, because I don't feel like welding right now, just because I'm still licking my wounds, I'm gonna grab this other plate over here and I'm gonna start cleaning it up and start prepping this side to weld this other plate on. And I'll probably tack that on and start working on that side as soon as I got all that cleaned up. So I'll talk to you guys in a second. Okay, everyone, got a bunch of work done. I'm calling in tonight. It's like 6:30 in the morning. Got these inner panels in. Basically, everything's welded up except for the area right underneath the cross member. I've got to pull the cross member down to finish welding that. A lot of grinding work to do. You saw me doing a bunch of that. I still got to do more. I got to go buy some grinder discs and some flap discs. And that's pretty much it. I still got to brace up these rear body mounts and do a little bit of cosmetic wrap up in the front and get that plow on here. But we're just about ready to get this thing painted, so that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Like always, subscribe, comment, like, and go like my Facebook page. Go check out alvarezmetalworks.com. That's my website. My Facebook page link is on the top of my website. It's also on my YouTube channel homepage. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Talk to you guys soon.